It's official. We've retired our Autographs Printed Nameplates, the product that started it all. The good news is that it's being replaced with something even better, the Signature Printed Nameplate. So, what exactly is a Signature Printed Nameplate, and what types of features can they provide for our customers? A Signature Printed Nameplate is an aluminum tag that's created through a digital printing process directly onto the metal using a flatbed inkjet printer. This process provides photographic image quality with CMYK color matching. What benefits does this new technology provide to us? Digital printing allows us to print directly onto the metal, providing better image quality and color resolution. Plus, custom color matching is available at no additional charge. Variable information is also available, meaning no static, sequential-only, crash-indented numbers. If you would like to learn more about Metalcraft's products, please contact an ID specialist at 800-437-5283 or metalcraft@idplate.com. Metalcraft's Signature Printed Nameplates. Truly ID made better.